Scene 1 takes place on the beach, where a naughty blue bird is lurking.
I'm a mean, mad, naughty bird. I like to steal and lie, and I don't eat healthy.
Hey, don't hurt me.
I'm so awesome, I never get in trouble.
Don't hurt me. It's a bad to hurt people.
No one can touch me. I am the greatest.
Oh yeah? You think you're bigger than me?
Yeah!
Ow! Oh God! Oh God! So you see, children, Plato's allegory of the cave means that the bigger bird always gets beat up by the littler bird.
Yeah.
Are we done?
Alright. That it?
That was 15 minutes of hard work.
Short and sweet. All around, gentlemen. Come on.
Perspirated.